Hi folks, Chef Kazi here, and today I'm planning to make lamb biryani, veal kadhai, let's say 2 items and salad. Okay, so let me show you how. Okay, the biryani, the different part in India and Pakistan, they make different way. So I'm planning to make in general, like just regular lamb biryani. Okay, and I'm going to use my own spice. So let me show you step by step. That's for veal. Some bay leaves there also. That's the cardamom. Onions. Some onions is here. Rice for biryani. Crusted garlic 1 teaspoon, both pot. Ginger. This one I have 1 teaspoon each. Kashmiri chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and garam masala. Tomato paste 1 tablespoon. Beautiful. Touch of tomato paste also in biryani meat. Just for flavor. I prefer to use fresh tomato, but I don't have fresh tomato today. This for the biryani masala. I'll explain later on about the biryani masala, okay? This some dry raisin, Easter anise, and 2 black cardamom. So what I want actually, I want this one, I cover it, let it cook slow heat. So I put some fat, so let fat melt it, and I need that beef tallow, lamb tallow I need. So I cover this. And I cover this guy also. Here we go. Okay, we'll be back. Around 4 tablespoons of yogurt. Thank you. Yeah, I got some split chickpeas. I was boiling it to add with the beef. So that is the water. You see this biryani, this bone have a marrow inside. I want to bring it back. That is give you the real flavor. I have a 2 bone like that. Here I have a 2 tablespoons of the yogurt. Smell good. Rice, I'm boiling it. So you see here lamb fat already melted. So this fat is extra fat. Let's save it for later. That's good. A little bit water from the rice pot. So I put a low heat and I can simmer it. Here you go. So remember the oil, what I did, you see I put some saffron mixed and some flavor, concentrate kevra water, just for flavor. That's going top of the rice. Yeah, it's flavor, very flavorful. So this beef is cooked. Okay, I have to move on the side now because I need the stove, and when I garnish it, I'll bring it back. So folks, this lamb is ready for biryani, I mean for the rice. So let's go. Bismillah. Some fried onions. This is the time now. Wow. This biryani is ready, 100%. Look at this. Biryani, the secret, you need a fork. So rice doesn't break. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Excellent. Okay, now, remember the spice I was saying about the biryani? What I use in this biryani, my spice was homemade garam masala, roasted cumin powder, coriander powder, and little touch of rosemary powder, okay, with allspice. That's all. So simple and easy lamb biryani. Enjoy. So beef I'm going to garnish later on because I need some work on it, and then I can cut some salad, and that's it, my friend. So folks, here, let me talk to you. If you like my work, what I did, please support me by subscribing the channel if you didn't subscribe yet. Hit the like button, press the bell button, and share the video. Okay? Man, soon I'll be retired fully. I'm semi-retired now. Then this will be for you guys, new recipes every day. So please, and thank you. So have a wonderful day. Nice weather outside in Toronto today. Enjoy the weather. Bye for now.